Hey friends! Keep your engine running smoother and longer with these high-performance synthetic oils designed for ultimate protection and efficiency. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car engine oil in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Valvoline Car Engine Oil. Engineered specifically for the rigorous demands of heavy-duty diesel machinery, this premium full synthetic lubricant excels at significantly extending the lifespan of your engine. It has been proven in strict Cummins ISB testing to reduce valve train wear by 35%, showcasing its elite ability to safeguard vital internal components. The formula remains incredibly stable against thermal breakdown and deposit formation, effectively meeting modern, low-emission environmental standards. With Volvo T13 testing verifying a 28% increase in oil longevity, you enjoy longer service intervals and reduced garage visits. Whether operating in scorching heat or freezing cold, this versatile oil maintains optimal performance, making it an essential choice for major manufacturers like Ford, Cummins, and Caterpillar. Next up, our second product, the Mobil Car Engine Oil. Hardworking trucks and SUVs require specialized care, and this advanced full synthetic lubricant is perfectly optimized for the intense pressure of towing and heavy hauling. Its robust triple-action formula works tirelessly to prevent oxidation, ensuring that critical engine parts stay protected for up to 10,000 miles between scheduled changes. This oil displays remarkable thermal stability, operating reliably at extreme temperatures ranging from a blistering 500 degrees Fahrenheit down to a frigid -40 degrees. By actively preventing harmful deposit buildups, it ensures your engine runs cooler and cleaner under the most punishing loads. Choosing this product gives every driver the peace of mind that their vehicle's heart is fortified against the toughest road challenges imaginable. Coming in at number 3, the Castrol Car Engine Oil. This powerful full synthetic formulation is specifically designed to provide superior defense against sludge, a common enemy that can choke modern high-performance engines. Through rigorous sequence VH sludge testing, it has proven to offer 40% better sludge protection than the toughest industry requirements, keeping your internal components looking pristine. The advanced additives create a resilient barrier that guards against both thermal and viscosity breakdown, ensuring consistent oil flow during even the most extreme driving conditions. It also acts as a vigilant shield against high-temperature deposits, which helps maximize your engine's overall power output and fuel efficiency over time. This oil is truly the ultimate companion for dedicated drivers who refuse to compromise on the long-term reliability and health of their beloved vehicle. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Pennzoil Car Engine Oil. This revolutionary lubricant is crafted from natural gas, setting a high bar for synthetic oil performance and offering an incredible 20-year, 750,000-mile warranty for complete peace of mind. It is expertly engineered to thrive in both scorching heat and freezing cold, maintaining perfect viscosity to protect your engine under any weather conditions. Beyond mere lubrication, this formula helps prevent power loss and provides unmatched wear protection, ensuring your high-performance engine remains responsive and healthy. Its unique chemical composition also actively contributes to better fuel economy, which translates into real savings at the pump for every mile you drive. By choosing this sophisticated oil, you are actively investing in the longevity, peak reliability, and smoother day-to-day operation of your vehicle's engine. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Castrol Car Engine Oil. Boasting a performance profile 3 times stronger than leading synthetic competitors, this oil is built for those who demand excellence under heavy torque and high-stress driving environments. It handles the most intense conditions without suffering from viscosity breakdown, ensuring that your engine remains perfectly lubricated even during extremely demanding travel. The convenience is unmatched, as this oil supports extended drain intervals of up to 20,000 miles or 1 full year, providing massive value and ease. It effortlessly meets and exceeds stringent industry standards, including GM Dexos 1 and Ford specifications, confirming its compatibility with a vast range of modern, sophisticated engines. It is an elite, top-tier choice for owners who want their engines to run cleaner, stronger, and significantly more efficiently throughout their entire operational life. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.